Hey guys, it's THER0BSTEF Edmonton's finest, bringing you another video. And for today's video, we're doing an unboxing. What kind of items are we gonna unbox? Well, it's technically summertime now. Oh wait, scratch that. It's basically summertime now, so it's time to buy winter clothes. So my mom bought me clothes from Tiptop Tailors, which is known for their high quality, expensive suits and other clothing. And today we're gonna find out if they are really high quality and expensive. Tiptop Tailors, if you can see it there. I can't even open it. There we go. Let's see. You don't need that now. She got me a turtleneck sweater and a winter jacket. Let's find out if these are high quality and expensive material. For the winter jacket, it really feels like you can be warm at all times. The original price of this winter jacket is $325 Canadian. I don't know if you can see that, but like, here we go. 325. But then this winter jacket is actually on sale online. She got it for me at around $49.99. So that's a steal. Time for this sweater. Yeah, it's thick. I can be really warm in the winter. So this sweater is around $85 Canadian. But then she got it for me for $14.99. Which is really a steal. Let's try these out. You guys ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait.
5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Hit me! 널 준비된 사람 손 집에 있을 때 나는 심한 게 차이 쇼미션 넘쳐 위하여 두쪽 난 하늘 위로 계속 엎치락 뒤치락 ready to mix it up yeah no
Alright guys, K-pop audition, take 1. 여보세요? 어느 씨예요? 정말? 뭐야? 이러니 개새끼야! So, the question is it worth it? For the sweater, yes, it's worth it. For the jacket, it is definitely worth it. The original price was $325 and my mom got it for me for $50. For the sweater, it's originally $85 and my mom got it for me for $14.99. There it is guys, Tiptop Tailors clothing unboxing. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below for more content. Don't forget to like this video. And as usual, this is your boy THER0BSTEF, Edmonton's finest, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Init.
What? Pause.
Ay, baliktad.
Baliktad, eng ka.
Paganyan.